Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today I am going to show you how to flip and rotate a video using CapCut. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you are on CapCut, select any video that you wanted to edit from your gallery. With your video loaded into the timeline, tap on the video clip to reveal the editing tools at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so now you have to swipe right and find the transform option. And once you find it, tap on it. Okay, so now here you will see three options. Tap on mirror to flip your video. Okay, so now if you want to rotate your video, tap rotate. Every tap will rotate your video 90 degrees. You can rotate it as many times as you need. And that's it, you have successfully flipped and rotated your video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video.